everyday today. I am Carmela Joy Mendoza and I am excited to have you in my class. Today, we're going to talk about uniformly accelerated motion, projectile motion, horizontal launch projectile, angle launch projectile. So, what is uniformly accelerated motion or what we call UAM? It is a motion in a straight line with constant acceleration and zero difference. Hence, the velocity of an item continually changes depending on the velocity direction. Example of freely falling body and vertically thrown up body. So, what is projectile motion? This is a motion of an object thrown or projected into the air subject to only acceleration of gravity. The object is called projectile and the path is called trajectory. The projectile motion is parabolic because the vertical position of an object influenced only by a constant acceleration. What about the horizontally launch of a projectile? Horizontal launch of a projectile is when it is thrown parallel to the horizon. So it moves with a horizontal takeoff speed only under influence by its own weight. And lastly, angle launch projectile. Angle launch of a projectile are projected at an angle to the horizontal. Their motion begins with both x and y velocity components. What about the horizontal motion x component? We can represent a vector in terms of its component. The x component or the horizontal component of a vector is the size of the vector in the x direction. Vertical motion y component. The y component or the vertical component of a vector is the size of the vector in the y direction. The formula for horizontal component are ux is equal to u cos theta. For vertical component, the formula is uy is equal to u sin theta. And that's it, my dear student. I hope you learned something today. Bye!